This is the Atlas walking foot machine, self-oil. You have an oil pen underneath, as you see over here. Fully pen with oil. As you see over here, reverse, big stitch, small stitch by turning the knobs. And we're going to demonstrate the machine right now. It's a walking foot machine. Right now I go on those plies. You can go heavy, whatever ply you want. Have a servo motor on it. You can go stitch by stitch, and you can go even higher. And let's add some leather to it. As you see, it will work on all time. And you see the stitch back and forth. Whatever you put underneath is okay. You can put a very large stitch on that one, so it's going to be like half an inch. Let me open all the way. Okay, this is the largest stitch. Let me show you the largest stitch, as you see over here. Take a look on the leather. It's like half an inch. Back and forth. This is the largest stitch. You can do small, big, or large. Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company, walking foot machine, double needle.